Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 33 Woodville Road, close to King's Heath High Street. This is a spacious 4-bedroom mid-terrace property. Moving into the property where we have a hallway with stairs leading up to the first floor. And then moving through to the open plan living space. Lovely large bay window here towards the front aspect. And we also have double doors leading out to the garden. And then through to the extended dining kitchen. Where we have bifolding doors and Velux windows providing further natural light. Moving up to the first floor landing, we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor, stairs leading up to the second floor, and then the first bedroom here, which faces towards the front of the property. Good sized double room. Into the next bedroom. And the window towards the rear aspect. There we have the bathroom. Through to the back bedroom. And up to the second floor bedroom, which has a Velux window facing towards the front aspect. As well as a window to the rear. And then we have the ensuite shower room with toilet and wash basin and shower cubicle with a mixer shower. And then into the rear garden where we have a good sized patio area, stepping down to the artificial grass section, and then just looking back at the property. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.